Starting today, you can upload Reels to Instagram up to 3 minutes long.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I want you to hit that like button, the subscribe button, but most of all, the notification bell so you can stay up to date with what's happening here on this channel. So if you don't know, Instagram now has 3-minute Reels. So this is a huge update. I think this is long overdue, and I think, of course, we had to work our way up to this point. But I think with everything happening with Instagram and all these different changes throughout other, social media platforms, Instagram realized, like, hey, we need to, up the minutes, on like our content.
Starting today, you can upload Reels to Instagram up to 3 minutes long. Now, historically, it's only been 90 seconds, and that's because we wanted to focus Instagram on short form video, not on long form video. But we've heard a lot of feedback from a lot of you creators out there that 90 seconds is just too short. So we're hoping that upping that limit up to 3 minutes will help you tell the stories that you really want to tell. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Peace.
I love the fact that they started implementing, 3-minute Reels, and I think TikTok is at 10 minutes. But my point is, with everything that happened with TikTok, and all those transitions and what's going to happen, who knows? But Instagram has made this turn to where they're now coming up with a lot of different updates to try to bring that audience over to Instagram and Meta. But I think it's long overdue. Like I said before, we've gotten tired of these like 30-second Reels and 60-second Reels and 90-second Reels. Like, I believe people are wanting that more authentic side of content, that just raw, hey, just give us the content. Stop trying to recap it and make it sweet and super concise. Like, we want to see the whole story. And I think we see that the most with YouTube. Like, YouTube has never gone anywhere, but YouTube of course has like 7-minute plus videos and 10-minute plus videos and 15-minute plus videos. And I think the fact that Instagram is transitioning into this kind of long form pieces of content shows us a lot about the story, the art of storytelling, and just what we can bring to the table when it comes to making content. So I know for me, I like to on my Instagram, like, I'll go from either 30 seconds to about 9 minutes. I don't care about these platforms and what they're saying. However, I am still studying them to know for my clients, hey, this is what we can do. This one still will perform well, all those types of things. And so with this 3-minute, it expands the reach as far as like people that we can reach out to with longer pieces of content. And just the watch time, I believe, is going to increase on our platforms because people will stay and watch these videos for that long, since Instagram is pushing 3-minute videos. Now, I don't know the compare and contrast when it comes to like pushing videos over 3 minutes, as far as like 4 minutes or 5 minutes, those types of things. But it just depends on your audience and what they like and what they are following you for. So I think 3 minutes is going to be a game changer in the aspect of, again, showing us that we can push longer form pieces of content, which will allow us to then fade out of that recap, captions on the screen, all those types of things. Like, I feel like we're fading back into just authentic videos, which of course YouTube has shown us, what that success looks like, and TikTok too, of just being authentic. So I'm glad that Instagram is falling in line and following that same path. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna make more long form pieces of content, if you're gonna make 3-minute videos, or if you're just gonna stick within that 30-second to 90-second range. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.